Steps and advantages and disadvantages of DIY solar panels. Portable solar panels allow you to use solar energy on the go. There are many products available that enable you to take solar power on the go and use it to charge a cell phone, provide backup power to an RV, and more. Why buy portable solar panels and products? Portable solar products can be a great option for generating power in many cases. Whether you're an avid camper, an RV owner, taking a cross-country road trip, or want to make sure your phone has enough charge to last the whole day, there's likely a solar gadget for you. If you're looking to spend extended periods of time off-grid, perhaps on a camping or road trip, portable solar panels can help you stay powered reliably. By investing some money up front in a portable solar setup, you can generate free electricity from the sun wherever your travels take you. Instead of bringing around a noisy generator that runs on gasoline, you can simply hook up a solar panel or two with a battery and generate power whenever the sun is shining. Portable panels also have the advantage of generating electricity for you to use without polluting the environment around you. Even if you only need a little extra power, affordable portable solar products like phone chargers are low-hassle and convenient gadgets to have around. Many solar phone chargers are waterproof and can easily hang from a backpack, making them perfect for a day trip or hike. What portable solar product features are important to consider? The portable solar panels you need will vary based on what you are trying to power. Depending on if you're camping, going on a road trip, hiking, or just want to keep your phone charged, you will need a certain type of portable solar product. Power output/storage capacity. First and foremost, you should understand the amount of power you need from your portable solar system. For extended camping or RV trips, you'll need extra power if you want to run devices like lights and kitchen appliances. Many of the best portable solar panels come in several wattages so you can get the perfect panel for your needs. If your goal is to charge a phone or small electronic gadget, there's no need to get a 200-watt panel. A handheld charger or foldable sheet will get the job done. Another factor to consider when thinking about power needs is whether you want backup power or a solar generator. These options can be very useful for longer trips, as you can charge up the battery during the day and use the stored power throughout the night. As is typical with any tech product, higher prices mean higher quality for portable solar products. If you are willing to spend more money up front for a portable solar panel setup, you will be rewarded with better and extra features, like higher efficiency panels or a more durable casing. Spending the extra money may be well worth it for a high-quality product, especially if you plan on using your portable solar devices regularly. Additional features. Depending on how you plan on using your portable panels and other products, you'll want to make sure they come with the right features for the job. Are you worried about being able to carry around a bulk solar setup? Make sure to find a solar phone charger with extra USB slots. A common feature to look out for is weather resistance. A good portable solar panel needs to function well out in the elements on long RV or camping trips, so features like waterproofing and wind resistance can be important. Portable solar panel products with pre-installed or included solar charge controllers can save you time and money. A solar charge controller makes sure that energy flowing from your panels enters your battery/solar generator system at a safe and constant rate, and the best portable solar panels will have attached charge controllers out of the box.